Oh, I was going to ring the alarm now.
So where are we?
We're at a lift in Portadown station. The brand new lift. Yep, indeed. We're going to take him all right down. And look, the buttons spin. Oh, that's amazing. Look at the spinning buttons. Can I see? Wonder who's fastest. Sorry about the cough. Let's go. I would love to take a look at this bridge. Me too. And have a view of the
Nobody told me anything about this lift. What make is it and what's the capacity?
The capacity is 13 persons, 1,000 kilograms. Installed in 2012.
What make is it?
I don't know.
Kone?
A Kone.
A Kone.
It wasn't installed in 2012, it was installed in 2013.
Do you want to cross the bridge? Let's just, and perhaps there's the Enterprise we were just on.
We were just on an Enterprise there. You see that big roof? That's our train that we've been on. There's a 4,000 class.
He might be going back to Belfast. He is. Oh, we're going down this lift. Right, we'll start a new video. Hold on.